The appetite of owning performance motorcycles, the hunger of having bikes that would take you to measure the length and breadth of the country, the levels of anxiety to explore what's beyond the horizon has never been more than what it is as of today. And that's the reason today we are looking at two motorcycles which have been designed to take you out on the highways, explore new places without breaking a sweat. Hello all you lovely people out there on YouTube, welcome to Street Motor Talks. Today we are comparing the Kawasaki Ninja 300 BS6, the 2021 form, against the KTM 390 Adventure. To begin with, it may look like we are comparing apples to oranges, but if you look beyond the genre of the motorcycle, they are both essentially made to serve the same purpose, and that is to take people out on touring on the highways. And hence we are having this comparison. KTM comes with a single cylinder engine which is more about raw power at the low and the bottom end. The way this motorcycle delivers the power is more intimidating than many of the people can actually handle. On the other hand, the Kawasaki comes with a parallel twin engine. It is smooth, it's refined, and it loves to be revved. The differences in the engine are so vast that while the KTM revs out at 10,000 RPM, the Ninja builds its peak power at 11,000 RPM. The Ninja comes with standard telescopic forks up front. The KTM comes with big piston, sophisticated upside down forks by WP. While the Ninja comes with its old tried and tested super sport looking design, having twin headlights and a part analog part digital instrument console, the KTM on the other hand looks new, it's fresh, it looks modern. It gets all LED headlights, the blinkers are LED as well, and the instrument console is the best in the business. It's a full color TFT display which shows a whole lot of information than any other motorcycle in this segment can offer. In terms of rider aids, the Kawasaki only gets a slip and assist clutch and the dual channel ABS. However, the KTM beats the Ninja 300 hands down with the amount of electronics it gets. It comes with ride-by-wire technology, it has switchable ABS, it has traction control, it also has cornering ABS function. It comes with a quick shifter as well, and similar to Ninja, the KTM 390 Adventure also gets a slip and assist clutch. And not to forget about the tires, the KTM comes with much more grippier and much more performance oriented Medzilla Torrance tires. And when it comes to the service, finding a KTM service center is going to be a lot more easier compared to the Kawasaki, and above all, maintaining the Adventure 390 is going to be a lot more easier and cheaper for you compared to the Ninja 300. Now coming back to the point of these motorcycles allowing the user for touring. We do not have the highways like the other countries do. Gradually things are improving, but until then you will enjoy your ride from the source to destination a lot more on the KTM, because you will not really have to slow down as much as you would have to slow down on your Ninja, because the KTM is designed to handle bad roads and sometimes no roads at all. Now comes the most important point of why are we even comparing these two motorcycles. The reason is that Kawasaki has priced the Ninja 300 at 4,15,000 rupees on road in Bangalore, while the KTM Adventure 390 will set you back by 4,02,000 rupees on road in Bangalore. So that's a saving of nearly 13,000 rupees. And looking at the equipments, the rider aids, the electronics that you're getting with the KTM, it's really hard to justify the price premium of the Ninja 300. So which one should you buy? If you're someone who loves refinement more than anything else, more than any tech or fancy gimmicks or gizmos, you will go with the Ninja 300, because that motorcycle is the benchmark of being refined. And it brings an ear to ear smile each time you rev that engine. You can redline it in every single gear. However, if you are more of a practical minded person, then the KTM Adventure 390 makes perfect sense, because it handles good roads, normal roads, bad roads, and predominantly our Indian roads very well, and it's easy to manage and maintain as well. So there it is, my dear friends, the comparison between the KTM Adventure 390 and the Kawasaki Ninja 300 BS6. I hope that you guys liked this video. In case if you did, do give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and acquaintances, and if you haven't already, please do consider subscribing. I'll see you again in the next one. Till that time, Stay safe, stay blessed, and have a wonderful, wonderful time. Happy riding.